How much should you actually spend on a blender for making hummus? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1: Tyrrell Immersion Blender. Introducing the Tyrrell Immersion Blender, a handheld powerhouse priced at just $35.96. What caught my attention is its impressive 1100W motor, which is quite rare for immersion blenders at this price point. If you want a super smooth hummus in seconds without the hassle, this is worth a serious look. Plus, the variable speed trigger lets you control the texture, so you can go from chunky to silky smooth with just a touch. With over 7,200 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clear that many users have found success with it. The included attachments for chopping and whisking are just icing on the cake, making it a versatile kitchen tool. Now, some people complained about it getting too hot after prolonged use. Here's the thing though, if you're whipping up a quick batch of hummus, this shouldn't be an issue. Just make sure to give it a break if you're blending larger quantities. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and efficient solution for smooth hummus. Skip this one if you need a traditional countertop blender for larger batches, but for small to medium quantities, it's a steal. Product number 2: Ninja Blender Compact Kitchen System. Next up is the Ninja Blender Compact Kitchen System, priced at $129.99. The sleek design and 1200W power caught my eye, and it boasts a 4.8-star rating from over 8,300 reviews. If you're serious about your hummus game and want versatility, this is a great choice. This blender combines 3 functions: a high-performance blender, a food processor, and a single-serve cup, which means you can make hummus, dough, or smoothies all in one device. The AutoIQ technology takes the guesswork out, letting you blend and process with just a few button presses. The 72-ounce pitcher is big enough for family gatherings, ensuring everyone gets their fill of that delicious hummus. However, some users mentioned that it's a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing, if you're blending tough ingredients, that noise is just a sign of its power. If you're looking for quiet operation, this might not be the best fit. This blender is ideal for those who want a multifunctional machine that does everything. Skip this if you're looking for a budget option, but the performance makes it worth the investment. Product number 3: Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender. Now let's talk about the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender, priced at just $39.95. This model really surprised me with its 700W motor and the patented wave action system. If you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on performance, this one's worth checking out. The wave action system continuously forces ingredients down to the blades, ensuring a smooth blend every time. With 12 blending functions, it can handle everything from pureeing chickpeas for hummus to crushing ice for your favorite drinks. Plus, it has a 40-ounce glass jar, which is not only durable but also easy to clean since it's dishwasher safe. Now, a few users reported that it can struggle with very thick mixtures. Here's the thing though, for typical hummus, it performs well. If you're making super thick batches, you might need to blend in smaller portions. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, reliable blender at a great price. Skip this if you need a heavy-duty model, but for light to medium use, it's fantastic. Product number 4: Ninja Kitchen System. Up next is the Ninja Kitchen System, which retails at $149.99. With a powerful 1500W motor and a 4.7-star rating from over 42,600 reviews, this blender truly stands out. If you want a powerhouse that can handle anything, including hummus, this is the one. The all-in-one design allows you to blend, chop, and even make dough. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for large batches, and it features total crushing blades that crush ice and tough ingredients with ease. Plus, the included 8-cup food processing bowl makes it super versatile for preparing hummus and other dishes. However, some users found the size a bit cumbersome for storage. Here's the thing, if you have the countertop space, the performance and versatility more than make up for it. This is perfect for those who want a comprehensive kitchen system that can do it all. Skip this if you're tight on space, but if you have room, it's a fantastic investment. Product number 5: Ganaza Smoothie Blender. Lastly, we have the Ganiza Smoothie Blender priced at $50.44. The 1800W peak power motor and large 64-ounce capacity caught my attention. If you want a powerful, budget-friendly blender for making hummus in larger quantities, this one is worth considering. The 1800W motor ensures that it can handle ice and tough ingredients, turning them into smooth blends in seconds. The patented Sentry Flow Ribs technology creates a vortex that pulls ingredients back down to the blades, preventing any chunks from escaping. Plus, the 64-ounce pitcher means you can whip up enough hummus for a party or meal prep for the week ahead. On the downside, a few users reported that it can be a bit loud. Here's the thing, if you're blending tough ingredients, some noise is expected. If noise is a deal breaker for you, consider other options. This is ideal for families or those who entertain often. Skip it if you're looking for a compact option, but for its power and capacity, it's a solid choice. So there you have it. The Tyreller Immersion Blender is a great budget option, while the Ninja Compact Kitchen System and Ninja Kitchen System offer power and versatility. The Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender is perfect for those on a budget, and Ganiza is impressive for larger batches. Each has its strengths depending on your needs, so pick the one that suits your hummus making style best.